Welcome to the assembly video of Tesmoto Mammoth. First cut open the shipping straps, and then proceed to open the box. Take out the rear rack, the accessory box, and the bike. Proceed to remove the wrappings protecting the bike. The front fork was packed in the long box. Let's open that small box to see what's inside. Inside the box, you'll find a pair of pedals, a front light, a bag of tools, a charger, a handbook, reflectors, and keys. Now, let's install the front light. First, remove all the accessories on the fork absorber. Install the front light on the fork, and then put a part of the accessories back on the fork. Please pay attention to the order of the accessories shown in the picture. Insert the fork into the holes of the bike frame from bottom to top. Put the rest part of the accessories back to the fork. Please pay attention to the order of the accessories shown in the picture. Press the spring and fasten the screw with the nut. Loosen the screws on the fork of the bike frame and tighten it to the under of the shock absorber rod to fix it. Do the same for the other side. Now, let's install the front wheel. Please note that the brake disc is on the right side of the front wheel. Remove the nut and spacers on both sides of the front wheel. Gently pick up the bike and lower the front fork onto the front wheel. When installing the spacer, make sure that the safety hook is inserted into the hole above, and then put the nut back to fasten it, and do the same for the other side. Now let's install the front brake caliper. Remove the screws on the brake caliper first. Let it through the front fork. Put it on the brake disc. And install the screws through the holes on the fork to the brake caliper.